Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to solve a problem when you are at the kitchen. Maybe you have the problem with the nuts in your bags, maybe when a bag of salt or rice, for example, in this case. So I am going to show how to solve this problem. The only things that we need is just one plastic bottle, and scissors, because we are going to cut this right here, and next we are going to put this right here. Correct? Okay, first we are going to start cutting this part. Okay, we are going to use the scissors, and later we are going to have the next. So we start. You have to open because it has air inside. So we start. Okay, maybe we can start in the. You have to cut. And cut. This part we can put away because we are not going to use again, and this part is very important for us. So we are going to cut right here. In this part we start again. It is very faster to do this, and you don't need many materials, and you don't need much time to do this, and you are going to solve a big problem in your house. Okay, it must be like this. Yes, it's okay. Correct? Like this, and it's complete right like this. Okay, after washing it, we are going to use a napkin to dry this, because it's going to be with, in my example, it's going to be with rice, and it has to be very dry. So we have finished this, and this part. Okay, it's okay. It's going to put it away again, and we are going to not use this again, and we are going to finish. Okay, this part was a problem, correct? Okay, it takes much time to do this, so we are going to solve right now. We are going to use right like this part of the bag. We're going to introduce right here, correct? And later we are going to put like this, and it's okay. The only thing that we have to do is close like this, like a normal bottle, and it's okay. And when we have to use, the only thing is open and take it out, and we can use maybe rice or salt. It's very important to have close, and nothing is going to be outside of our bag, and we can store wherever we want. Okay, that's everything we have to do, and it's okay.